The occasion is World Environment Day 2002. The challenge is to erect a 5-star rating display home in King George Square, Brisbane. The time frame? 4 days. As with all new buildings, the house arrived on site as pre-cut and ready to assemble components. One of the great features of the Ecopanels building system is that buildings can be built on uneven and inhospitable terrain with no delays due to heavy rains. The 150 square metre floor was built in just 4 hours. This is where the house insulation starts, with 100mm thick polyurethane foam-filled panels set on a steel frame, used instead of a concrete slab, leaving a much smaller footprint on the ground. It should be noted, there is no destruction of the environment in the manufacture of Ecopanels. Last year, there was approximately $780 million worth of damage to houses throughout Australia caused by termites. Ecopanels are entirely vermin-proof. By First Light Sunday, the walls start to go up. The Ecohousing team's prefabricated approach to construction means that builders' site rubbish is reduced to a bare minimum. The polyurethane Ecopanels are light and easy to handle. The high insulation value of the polyurethane-filled panels R4 for the fibre cement skin panels and R4.5 for the steel skin roof and floor panels give the house an unbeatable 5-star energy rating. The Ecopanels building system provides so much insulation that occupants can cut up to 80% off their electricity power bills. External pollution and environmental damage is minimised with prefabricated construction. Ecopanels have fantastic soundproofing qualities, are fire retardant, cyclone and earthquake resistant and incredibly strong. The insulated roofing panels slip into place quickly and easily. The 27-degree pitch of the roof and north-facing aspect is ideal to mount solar hot water or photovoltaic panels for energy collection. The Ecopanels building system not only offers substantial savings on building materials, but the use of traditional building tradespeople is minimised, adding huge savings to your project.
There's an enormous range of things that people can do in terms of retrofitting their housing, and it can be seen as an investment because over a period of time it actually pays for itself.
We chose Ecopanels building systems because we were on a tight deadline and we needed a speedy construction. The system offered us simple and rapid construction to meet that deadline. The other benefit was that it eradicated expensive and difficult to get tradespeople such as bricklayers and plaster fixers. Ecopanels building system offers a variety of finishes. Consequently, we were able to select an external finish that blended aesthetically and architecturally with the rest of this development. The next benefit that we saw is a whole-of-life cost saving in the building, particularly in a climate like Canberra's, where your heating and cooling costs are significant. We will save money with this building and the maintenance costs will be less as well. At the end of the day, we've achieved a 5-star building at 1.5-star cost.
The buildings of the future are going to be manufactured or prefabricated off-site. The reason? We have to avoid as far as possible on-site building costs. So with the Ecopanels building system, we have that building. It's manufactured off-site, accurately, brought to the site on the back of a tray truck. The panels are often removed by a single person, put together perhaps by 2 people, quickly and accurately. The basic concept of the Ecopanel building system is it's made up of panels. Other systems basically are structural elements. This one comes as a complete panel system. We can have floors, we can have walls, and we can have a roof. The walls are superb. apart from the insulation, which is so obvious when you go into an eco-panel building, it's load bearing, so it takes the complete load of the roof. And the roof in itself is a structural element. It spans up to 7 metres, so there's no independent structure involved in the building. The whole thing comes together so well. Because of the basic quality of the product, it can be moved and used in many areas. There's no problems there. At present, it's certainly being used in residential work. It certainly is being used in homes for the aged, and it's certainly being used in the fields of education. We're now moving towards other fields, greener fields. It will certainly be used in industrial, and it will certainly be used in commercial. As an architect, I have to be extremely careful in recommending a building product. But in the case of the eco panels, having used it previously on a project, I'm very happy to do so.